Good morning, boys and girls. I'm going to be reading the test to you guys. Make sure at any time during this video, you pause after the question I read to you in order for you to focus on that question. I'm just going to read all the way through because I only have 5 minutes on this video. So make sure you can pause, you can rewind, you can fast forward to make sure you listen to me reading the question to you that you need. So topic 2 assessment. Please make sure to answer each question accurately. There are some multiple choice and some fill-in. Take your time, do not rush, and make sure to have scrap paper next to you in order to complete any necessary calculations. You will only have one chance to complete this assessment. Number 1. A dollhouse has 15 and 1500 square feet downstairs and 6 and 2500 square feet upstairs. Which of the following is the best estimate of the total area in the dollhouse? 9 square feet, 21 square feet, 78 square feet, and 90 square feet. At this time, you can pause if you need to focus on number 1. Number 2. Find the sum of $12.15 plus $16.85 and $1.74. Option A, $29, B, $32.74, C, $30.85, D, $30.74. 3. Choose all of the expressions that are equal to 2 and 6500ths plus 3 and 7800ths. 2 and 5600ths plus 3 and 8700ths. 10 minus 3 and 6700ths. 9 5100ths minus 3 and 800ths. 8 and 2100ths minus 2 and 7800ths. 3 and 7800ths plus 2 and 6500ths. Remember to pause if you need. Lawrence spent $1.89 on a bottle of paint and 45 cents on a brush. What was the total amount he spent? Use the model to help you. 5. Sophie put up 2 bookshelves in her room. The top shelf is 3 and 8800 feet long, and the bottom shelf is 4 and 5600 feet long. What is the combined length of the 2 bookshelves? Sophie put up 2 bookshelves in her room. The top shelf is 3 and 8800 feet long, and the bottom shelf is 4 and 5600 feet long. How much longer is the bottom shelf than the top shelf? Mr. Lee sold 8 and 6/10 pounds of apples, and Miss Perry sold 40 and 4400 pounds of apples at the farmer's market. How many more pounds of apples did Miss Perry sell than Mr. Lee? 31 and 8400 pounds, 32 and 2400 pounds, 41 and 3000 pounds, 49 and 400 pounds. Ricardo drove 55 and 6/10 miles on Monday and 9 and 78 miles on Tuesday. What is the total distance he drove for the 2 days? Tom earned $545 one week and $240 the next week. How much more did he earn the first week? $415, $405, $305, $295. In 1983, Smith's Popcorn employed 436 people. 20 years later, in 2003, the company employed 594 people. What is the best estimate for the difference between the number of employees in 1983 and 2003? About 100 employees? About 200 employees? About 300 employees? About 400 employees? Make sure to pause if you need. Olivia drove 3 and 7/10 miles from her home to a friend's house. Then she drove 8 and 1/10 miles to a store. About how many miles did she drive in all? About 15 miles, about 14 miles, about 13 miles, about 12 miles. That'll do for this part, but I'm going to start another video for number 12 going forward. Thank you, boys and girls. See you in a few.